Hey guys, I just wanted to show you how to get to SEC.Gov and find a Form 10K or an annual report for a publicly traded company. So just type in SEC.Gov and it's going to take you to this website, Edgar website. Go under filings. The easiest way is just to go to company filing search right here. And you can either type in company name here, or the easiest way is actually to use the ticker symbol. So under the fast search, I'm going to type in for Nordstrom, their ticker symbol, which is JWN, and push search. And that immediately brings me to the correct portion or the correct company. So what I'm going to do here, once I have Nordstrom's Form 10K, I want to find, or sorry, all of their filings. I'm going to find their Form 10K under filing type. Push enter. And the one I like to use is the document. So I'm just going to click on document. And then right here, Form 10K, click that link. And here's the Form 10K for Nordstrom. Notice February 3rd, 2018. So they just published it. Or sorry, they published it last year rather. Forgot what year we were in. And they're probably going to be publishing their next Form 10K for Nordstrom at least come in March, April. If I go to the table of contents, what I really want you guys to look at, like I do care that you kind of look through business, risk factors, all of this information here, but I really want you to focus on item 8. Sometimes it's item 7. So the financial statements and supplementary data and below. That's really going to be where the the financial statements are, and it's always going to follow right here the independent auditor's report. So I hope you find this useful. If you use the SEC.Gov website to find it, and you search in the way that I just searched, JWN, Form 10K. This is going to give you the most recent Form 10K for the company that you're selecting. So right here, notice 2018 is more recent than 2017. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.